In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook, a straightforward process that will help you seamlessly coordinate your virtual meetings. Whether you're planning a quick discussion or a detailed presentation, using Microsoft Teams via Outlook can enhance your productivity by bringing everything under one roof. Let's jump right in and break it down into easy-to-follow steps. First, you'll want to access your Outlook account. This can be done through Outlook.com or your Office 365 Outlook platform. Once you've logged in successfully, navigate to the left sidebar and select the calendar option. This is where you will manage and organize all your schedules and upcoming meetings. With your calendar open, the next step is to initiate a new event. Locate and click on the New Event button, typically found at the top or in a prominent position on the interface. Here, you'll be prompted to enter all the necessary details for your meeting. Start by giving your meeting a descriptive title, something that will immediately convey the purpose to your attendees. Then proceed to add the participants you intend to invite. You can do this by entering their email addresses in the attendees field. Remember to select a suitable date and time that aligns with everyone's availability. This is crucial for ensuring maximum participation. Once you've filled in all these basic details, the next step involves enabling the Microsoft Teams meeting feature. Look for the toggle or button that says Teams Meeting and click it. By doing so, a Microsoft Teams link will be automatically generated for your meeting. This link will allow all invited attendees to join the meeting with just a click, providing a seamless transition to the virtual space at the designated time. After you have configured all the settings to your liking, you'll see options to either save the event as a draft or send it out to your attendees. If you're ready and confident that everything is in order, go ahead and click Send. This action will dispatch email invitations to your attendees, complete with all the meeting details and the Teams meeting link. The invitations will land in their inboxes, allowing recipients to easily add the event to their own calendars. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting directly through Outlook. By following these steps, you ensure that your meetings are well organized and accessible, which can be particularly beneficial in today's remote working environment. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to schedule test meetings or explore additional features within Outlook and Microsoft Teams to further enhance your collaborative efforts. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.